today we are gonna watch this random anime that it is reincarnation time. So guys, yes, we're gonna play this thing. Anime. I don't know what way. Is anime pronounced anime or anime? Okay, let's start the video. Welcome to my video channel. Yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Come on. There, okay. What's this? Some cloudy. What the? Have they ever cleaned this thing? What? Okay, now. Whoa. Is this the main character? I don't know who's the main character, to be honest. Whoa, chill, chill. Okay. First off, we just started the video and then there's already some, how can I say this word appropriate for eliminate people getting killed. Yes, I don't know if that word is inappropriate or not. No, oh no. Okay. Kids, do not watch this. I do not know who's the main character here and what the hell is happening. Are they are like in a dungeon cave, something like that. So I think this guy is the main character. The one we saw earlier. This guy. I think this guy is the main character. Okay. I heard this guy. No, I heard that this anime is reincarnation. Yes. In isekai, something like that. Yes. Because I was looking anime. Yes. So I think this guy will be killed and then be in another universe, something like that. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, we know already, right? Come on. The main character is that guy. He will just die and then be in a new world. Let's go. Yeah, this was totally the main character. Oh, how big is that skeleton? Why is it so big? Well, that's normally how most creatures are. Humongous.
今も広がり続けている。あの狂った屍が死人を呼び寄せて、とうとう外に溢れさせる。
Oh my goodness, I forgot something. My subtitles. I forgot the subtitles. I was like, wait, where's the subtitles?
機内のネクロマンサー。カバネ死んでい
Okay.
く。
Corpse guy. So that guy is the main character here, and then he dies. Sheesh. What the? Oh, so this is like the intro. Maybe? Is it the intro? Wait! Okay! Mom, kill that creature! That's right! Mom, kill the creature! Mom is in this. What if this... Wait, no. He will be the one who died. Because this is a reincarnation video. This guy. Yeah, the man with the... the mental care. Why does he look so injured? And maybe in the Whoa! Black hole! Look! There's a black... Maybe not. That doesn't not... Why? Huh? What is that? But they look like snake souls. Now they are picking up the whoa. Huh? No, no way, brother. Sheesh. Really, bro? Aw, man. I wonder what's the other world look like, you know what I mean? The other world will look like, you
こ
know?
こで奴を
Because
潰せなきゃ
this is a
世界は
reincarnation
屍に
video.
飲み込まれる
And the fact that this is a reincarnation video and I'm saying that there will be in another world, you know why? Because that's what normally anime or anime or yes.
しかし最悪尽くしのシャグルは殿といえど
How can you defeat that humongous skeleton creature? Whoa. Chill, boyo, chill.
シャグルア様は負けませんよ。あの人は決して死に屈する人ではありませんから。
Wait just a moment. Hello, I'm back. That totally took like a second, right? Yeah. Okay, let's start. So okay, wait. Let me get this straight. This guy is the main character, right? And then he will die from that corpse, humongous thing, corpse, and then boom, voila, he is reincarnated into another one. So there is some flashbacks, yes, backstories. What kind of blood is this? It looks like story blood. A lot of those spiky things. The main character will die, and this main character guy will die, and then be in another universe. Yes. Okay, a lot of fightings, very violent. Because violence is
貴
the
様が犠牲にして
answer.
きた魂たちは
Yes. If you ever see a bully bullying you, you punch them in their
自分
eyes,
が殺した盗賊だの
in
守る
their
だの霊
face.
下
Yes.
手すりゃ締めた鳥やハムシも全部だだから大抵のアガン持ちは教会に駆け込んで一生を過ごすそれか霊をもてあそぶ快感を覚えてカバネ神殿みたいな資料術師になるかだ
Oh my goodness. The main character versus the villain, oops, the big skeleton. Okay, so what? Whoa, sheesh!
戦場を選び
He can fight
我
all
々
of
の
that
戦ってくださっている
skeleton. Yeah, his main character is home. I wonder what's he gonna do.
それがお前の本体かそれっぽっちのものを守るために全ての命を乱にする死神でも気取るつもりか神は戯れまいアガン持ちの貴様や我のようには貴様は楽しんでいるのだろう自ら殺した者の魂があげる連鎖の声
So I think this is where the main character will die and then they
い
will
ぞこ
enter
ないの化け
another
物め
reincarnation body, yes. And then he will look completely different. That is how it is, brother. I know everything. Let's go. Even though I did not watch this. Whoa, there's a lot of, yeah, this guy is definitely one
進
guy.
化術ではない させるか
No, you'll die.
この国子供たちに未来がないんだな
You will die from that thing. I don't know what this thing is. You will die into another reincarnation body. Yes, you will die. You will die. Wait, let's go. No. What the? What happened now? Whoa, chill! Brother, chill! Okay, now what? Now what? Now what?
記憶が曖昧
Wait, wait.
そうだ
Okay, let me get this straight. Okay, let me get this straight, bro. Who is that voice? That voice is different and who's saying Fuzzy, huh?
あの時魔術が発動したのか
Oh, what is this place? Oh my. I just predicted the future. I said, what is this place? He just said, what is this place? Bro, no way, brother. We just said it in the same time.
ここはどこだ
I predicted the future. What?
動ける
He looks different. Who is that?
なんだこの細い手は
So, the guy who tried to kill the corpse gone, but he died and then turned into younger. Yeah. Yeah, that is a different person right there.
声
Because in the in the cave thing, the guy, no, in that big cave, I see nothing person with a white hair, brother. Like, look at the hair, look at the hair, look at the hair, look at the hair.
なんだこの細い手は
Hey, look at the hair colors. I have never seen anyone eat that dungeon. Hair is white. Huh? Okay. Look, white hair, brother. If you can't still see it, no way, brother. You might be blind, brother. And what is it?
声がうまく出せない
Maybe it's because of that injured thing.
床も壁もなんだか妙だ
They do look a bit strange. They look like from a dream, you know? Or like between the building, you know what I mean? Yes, that's it. What's that light thing? Are you trying to make me blind, brother? Okay, there. What the? He looks completely different. Look at the injured. What? Huh? I don't get it. Why is there an injured? Wait. Get this straight. Did he get that? So what if the guy who tried to kill the corpse god but got uninjured and the injured still with his body? You know what I'm saying? No way, sheesh. Like, look. How did he get that injured? He just reincarnated, huh? And why was he summoned in that thing? Wait, what if someone was killed and then Wait, am I saying things right? Now, what if someone? What if that's a doll? No. What if someone got killed and then he reincarnated into that body? No, I don't think that's the one. I think he was reincarnated with the injury he had in the dungeon, and then he still has the injury. But how does he feel? Not, how does he not feel anything? You know? Yeah, he looks completely different. The man.
この街は
Oh! You look different, man. You died already, brother. Man, we didn't even see how you died. Well, we technically did see. Forget about that. Sheesh, that looks fancy. It looks nice to be honest. Look at the place. What is that coming? Whoa, whoa,
待て
whoa.
待て待ておいマジかよ
Huh? Who's this kid? Who is this guy?
頭がぶっ壊れちまったか俺だ回収行動は中止だ路地裏に死体はもうないっていうかまだ生きてやがったどういうことだまさか奴が失敗したのか いや俺も確認したんだがとにかく待機しててくれなんであいつ喉をかっさばかれて普通に歩いてやがるんだ
How does he feel? No, how does he feel? How does he not feel anything, brother? I actually don't know where did that injury was.
ここは一体どこなんだそれにしてもすごい人だ子供たちの顔色がいい
The kids,
楽しそうに笑ってい
they
る
look normal to be honest, but they look great.
平穏な土地なのだろうあの国はどうなる
Whoa!
取れるかどうかは分からない
Huh? Oh, okay, I don't get it. I don't get it. Everything now. It's confusing.
ベネッター号風でアネクラルケタ先こういつくれるかな
So the guy who called, the guy who was on security called police. Okay.
言葉がいやところどころわかる
Japan. This is actually
言
Japan.
語情報を引き出しているのか
The language is actually Japan if you don't know.
模様じゃないよね
No, we don't know Japan. You are Japanese, man. You are Japanese. No, you don't know Japan language.
日本語というのか
Okay, no way you don't. There, Japanese. Because no, okay, guys. No way if you're like French, Russian, Chinese, and then you don't know your own language. Sheesh, that's a mess.
この体の名前
Well, everybody knows their own language. Yes, because everybody's smart.
外国人旅行者なのかな喉にひどい怪我してますよ血は止まってるみたいですがすぐに救急に
What the heck? What is happening? Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? Jeez.
警察は厄介だねとりあえず逃げよ
ほら待ちなさい
Ah,
何かあったんですか岩さんここじゃ何が起きてもおかしくないそうだろ荒瀬そうですね
what is that? Who are those people, bro?
はい
And I don't get it. This is confusing, brother. All of these are confusing. Where did he get that injured? And who are that? What is
ねえ
that?
ねえ私のこと覚えてる私は咲宮美咲逆さに読んだら木佐宮美希さん
それ逆さに読む意味ある
Mm.
この女の記憶が少しずつ浮かんでくるな
持ち主と知り合いのようだ。
Oh,
これ、何してるんですか？
whoa, swap some money. You rich now. Successful. My name is actually mansion, a house, money, and then
暖かいし、
Lamborghini, Ferrari.
大丈夫。君は幽霊
Yes.
じゃあ
Wait,
り
what
ません。
happened? What happened?
元
What
気
happened?
に生きてます。やった。
I didn't see what happened.
暖かいし、足もあるし。
This is why
大丈夫。
I don't
君は幽霊
like
じゃありません。
anime.
元気に生きてます。
By the way, why am I watching anime?
ありがとう。
いやいや、そんなお礼を言われることじゃないよ。
助かっ
だって、これからまた君
Oh?
も
Whoa, 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 chill, brother, chill. What? Where's that? What is that blood? Kill you again?
た。はい。
ねえねえ、さっきその窓をこれでえぐり切ったのに。なんで君まだ生きてるのかな。
I finally get it. Let's go, brother. Let's go, brother. Let's go, brother. Come on, brother. So, what that girl is saying that he killed that man, and then no, that he killed that. He killed him, and then someone then the man reincarnated into that. That's where he got the injury from, bro. Now everything makes sense, but not everything because what was that picture like the like in the past.
この体を殺したやつだ。篠山ポルカか。まだ16のガキなのに殺し屋を雇われるとはね。美咲を雇った依頼人も何も考えてやがんだが。今度はちゃんと死んでくれよ。出ないと回収屋の俺ら報酬がもらえない。
Whoa. Okay. What is that place? Wait, I think that place is like abandoned hospital, right? So smart. It's abandoned hospital. Okay.
ダメだ。逃げる
That's
だ
an
けで精一
abandoned
杯だ。
building, yes. Or
しかし、な
hospital.
んだこの土地は。
Hospital, yes.
精霊の気配もほとんど感じられない。大気中のマスもひたすら薄い。おまけにこの肉体にも魔力がほとんどない。これでは新しく負った傷も治せない。どうすればいい？そもそもなぜこうなってしまったのかも曖昧だというのに。一度致命傷を負えば確実に死ぬ。
はーい。鬼ごっこの時間はおしまいですよ。すごいすごい。こんなに避けられたの初め
Have
てだ
some
よ。
fun because look,
私、なんだか興奮してきちゃった。
my biggest fan. It is very hot today.
反応はできるが体がついていかない。冗談じゃない。望み焦がれた世界への手がかりが
Now he's running
目
there.
の前にあるんだ。
What the? Oof. No. Why did you show me that? That is actually painful. Sheesh. That is actually painful.
つかめなかったんだ。ここまで来て手放すわけにはいかない。
Oh, no, you didn't. Hey, to be honest, that was a nice shot.
山田屋さんや殺し屋さんたちを何人も殺してきたけど、毛をされたのは初めてだよ。思わず好きになっちゃいそう。
No, why would you go? Wait, no, wait. Why would you go in a room? And plus, there was a window. Why couldn't you just use the window and then escape, not like you know what I mean, bro. You're stupid. Why would you go into a room? You will get reincarnated again. What if this is a double reincarnation?
有名なんだよ。
Voila!
ピザ屋さんの間じゃ
Hey, what happened? I heard there was like some noise.
このビルって同業者の間じゃ有名なんだよ。
Stupid. What?
ピザ
How
屋さ
could
んの
you?
間じゃ有名な処刑場だったんだってさ、このビル。人とか溶かしたりとかすごいよね。科学の力だよね。でねでね。
Nothing happened.
この辺は幽霊でピザ屋さんがよく出るって噂でね。だから人が全然来ないんだって。ヤクザ屋さんはともかく幽霊とかすごいよね。オカルトの力だよね。
そうみたいだ。この体の目でもはっきりわかるよ。
What the hell?
ここを使ってた人たちは他人の命を粗末にしすぎじゃないかな。なるほど。この体でも人の霊が見えるということは、アガンはやはり眼球や脳髄ではなく魂に付随する
Today
力。
this is where they are.
なになに君、命を大事にしろとか言っちゃうけ？
そうだね。君も命をもっと大
You
切に
also
扱う。
say something. You
同
too.
感だよ。人の命は地球より重いんだよね。21グラムだっけ。だから今度は1グラムも残さないよ。ねえねえねえねえ。殺してあげる。
軽々しく命に触れるな。命は強い。僕のおもちゃだ。
Ooh, ooh, dead, dead.
そう
Yes,
するんじゃない。
that woman is dead. No way you could survive from a stab in the stomach, right?
どうかなされましたか？
いや、自分の仕事を果たせたのか不安でな。
何をおっしゃいますか？あなたは最悪潰しの名に恥じぬ働きをしました。シャグルア様。
Wait, is it? Wait, I'm confused right now. Isn't that the guy who reincarnated? You know, misunderstood. So it was the corpse god who, you know, reincarnated. I thought it was that guy, bro. Huh? That's why they were like earlier. The looking skeleton, yes. Bro, I thought it was actually this guy, the main character.
俺
Why
の
am I
剣が奴を捕らえた最後の瞬間。確かに、奴の魔術
That's
を
a
発
spell.
動し
Yeah,
た
I don't know what that spell is.
転移魔法に似た気配だった。その時、アガンで奴の魂は見えたが、消え去るのがあまりにも早かったんだ。
You didn't capture the soul, to be honest.
あの
Didn't
資料
actually
術師を滅ぼ
eliminate
せた
the
のか。
thing. Wait, did
先
he?
ほど教会の
I
観
think
測
he
班
killed
から報
the
告が来ました。
orc thing and then
この世界から完全に消えたそうです。あなたは世界を救ったのです
ほら
よ、シャグルア様。
だといいんだが。
I actually thought it was that brain.
頭が冴えてき
What's that brain?
た。魔力が満ちる。やっと思考がクリアになったよ。美咲ちゃんだっけ？なんで君がこの体を篠山ポルカを殺そうとしたのかはわからない。
Yeah, I don't know why he killed.
やっぱりお礼を言うよ。ありがとう。こんなにも魔力に満ちた場所に連れてきてくれて。ここでなら手に入れられるかもしれない。平穏な生活が。
Like a decent person.
鬼ごっこの時間は確か
No, wait, no, not decent life. I don't want a decent life. I want rich life, you know? Rich life! Mansion! Money, money! You know what I mean? Cash, cash! Yeah!
もう逃げない
This is a fancy hut.
僕と君と死神ごっこ殺し合いだ
Okay, so this is the intro. So it's actually the outro. So this episode is finished.
生まれ
So guys, I'll be seeing you tomorrow with a new episode. So hopefully you guys have a great day. And then please subscribe to my channel. And then like and subscribe please. Share this video as well. Do whatever you want, share or not. I don't really care. So have a good day. Bye bye guys. See you tomorrow with a new episode. Be happy. Peace out. Cheers.